The deep ocean, a place of immense pressure, perpetual darkness, and freezing temperatures. It's an alien world right here on Earth. For centuries, we imagined it as a barren wasteland, but we were wrong. Recent expeditions to the deepest trenches have revealed a world teeming with life, strange and wonderful creatures unlike anything we've seen before. These discoveries are challenging our understanding of life itself. The deep ocean is the planet's final frontier. It's a realm full of mystery, ripe for exploration. Every dive into its depths brings new surprises, reminding us just how much we have yet to learn about our own planet. Reaching the deepest parts of the ocean is no easy feat. It requires advanced submersibles capable of withstanding crushing pressures. These are engineering marvels, equipped with powerful lights and cameras. One such submersible is the limiting factor. In 2019, it made history. It became the first crewed vehicle to reach the bottom of the Mariana Trench. That's nearly 7 miles below the surface. The discoveries from this expedition were astounding. New species of fish, shrimp, and even a giant amoeba were found. These creatures have adapted to survive in conditions that would kill most other life forms. Life in the deep ocean moves at a different pace. Food is scarce, temperatures are frigid, animals have adapted to conserve energy, they grow slowly and live for a long time. Take the Greenland shark, for example. This massive creature can live for over 400 years. It's one of the longest living vertebrates on Earth. Its slow metabolism allows it to thrive in the cold, dark depths. Other deep-sea creatures have developed bizarre adaptations to find food. The anglerfish, for instance, has a bioluminescent lure. It dangles it in front of its mouth to attract unsuspecting prey. Not all of the deep ocean is a barren wasteland. Scientists have discovered hydrothermal vents. These are fissures in the ocean floor that spew out hot, mineral-rich water. Amazingly, life thrives around these vents, entire ecosystems powered not by sunlight but by chemosynthesis. Bacteria use chemicals from the vents to create energy. This in turn supports a diverse community of creatures such as tube worms, crabs and mussels. The discovery of hydrothermal vents revolutionized our understanding of life. It showed us that life can exist in even the most extreme environments. It even raised the possibility of life on other planets in places we once thought impossible. Section 5. Beyond comprehension. Many deep-sea creatures seem like something out of a science fiction movie. Take the barrel-eye fish, for example. It has a transparent head and upward-pointing eyes. This allows it to see in almost complete darkness. Then there's the vampire squid. It has large, bioluminescent eyes and webbed arms covered in spines. When threatened, it turns inside out, revealing a spiky, intimidating ball. These are just a few examples of the bizarre and wonderful creatures that inhabit the deep ocean. Each new discovery reminds us just how much we don't know about this vast and mysterious realm. Section 6. Adapting to extremes. Life in the deep ocean faces immense challenges, crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and perpetual darkness. But creatures have found a way to thrive in these extreme conditions. Some animals, like the blobfish, have gelatinous bodies. This allows them to withstand the immense pressure of the deep. Others, like the anglerfish, produce their own light through bioluminescence. This helps them attract prey and communicate in the darkness. These adaptations are a testament to the incredible resilience of life. They show us that life can exist in even the most challenging environments. Studying these adaptations can even inspire new technologies and innovations. Section 7. The ocean's medicine cabinet. The deep ocean isn't just a source of wonder and scientific discovery. It also holds immense potential for medicine. Many deep-sea organisms produce unique compounds with potential medical applications. For example, scientists are studying the bioluminescent properties of jellyfish for use in medical imaging. And the venom of cone snails found in deep-sea coral reefs shows promise for developing new painkillers. Exploring the deep ocean could lead to the discovery of new antibiotics, antivirals, and even cancer treatments. It's a vast and untapped resource for medical research. Section 8. The unseen impacts. The deep ocean may seem like a world apart, but its health is intricately connected to our own. Climate change, pollution, and deep-sea mining are all impacting this fragile ecosystem. For instance, as the ocean absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, it becomes more acidic. This acidification can harm corals, shellfish, and other marine life. Pollution from plastic waste, oil spills, and agricultural runoff also reaches the deepest parts of the ocean with potentially devastating consequences. Understanding the impacts of human activities on the deep ocean is crucial for protecting this vital ecosystem. It's essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Section 9, a world yet to be discovered. The deep ocean is the largest habitat on Earth, yet it remains largely unexplored. Every expedition into its depths yields new discoveries, reminding us just how much we've yet to learn. Exploring this final frontier is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about understanding our planet and protecting its future. The deep ocean plays a vital role in regulating climate, supporting fisheries, and providing us with important resources. By continuing to explore and study the deep ocean, we can unlock its secrets, appreciate its wonders, and ensure its preservation for generations to come. Gap 3S, Section 10, Echoes from the Abyss. As we delve even deeper into the ocean's shadowy depths, we uncover astonishing discoveries that defy our understanding of life on Earth. Gap 2S. Cut to interview with marine biologist Dr. Elena Martinez. Dr. Elena Martinez, it's incredible. We are finding species that have adapted to extreme pressures, complete darkness, and frigid temperatures. These creatures have evolved in ways we never thought possible. Gap 2S. Cut to underwater footage of a bioluminescent jellyfish, its body glowing softly in the dark. In the pitch-black waters, bioluminescence is the key to survival. Creatures like this jellyfish use light to communicate, attract mates, and ward off predators. Gap 2S. Cut to animation explaining the deep-sea vent ecosystems. One of the most fascinating discoveries is the deep-sea vent ecosystem. Here, life thrives around hydrothermal vents where superheated water rich in minerals gushes from the ocean floor. These vents create a unique environment where bacteria convert chemicals into energy, forming the base of a food web that supports a variety of organisms. Gap 2S. Cut to footage of giant tube worms and crabs around a hydrothermal vent. Giant tube worms, crabs, and other strange creatures call these vents home, living in symbiosis with bacteria. This remarkable adaptation allows life to flourish in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Gap 2S. Cut to interview with marine biologist Dr. Raj Patel. Dr. Raj Patel. Every time we explore these depths, we are rewriting the textbooks. The biodiversity here is not only astonishing, but also holds potential for new medicines and technologies. Gap 2S. Cut to footage of a deep-sea submersible exploring a trench. Exploring the ocean's trenches, we encounter creatures that seem straight out of a science fiction novel. From the elusive giant squid to the enigmatic anglerfish, these species have adapted to survive in crushing pressures and perpetual darkness. Gap 2S. Cut to animation explaining the adaptations of deep-sea creatures. These adaptations include slow metabolisms, unique reproductive strategies, and specialized sensory organs that allow them to detect even the faintest bioluminescent signals. Gap 2S. Cut to underwater footage of a Dumbo octopus gracefully swimming. The Dumbo octopus, with its flapping ear-like fins, is a perfect example of the beauty and mystery of the deep sea. Its delicate movements and otherworldly appearance captivate scientists and viewers alike. Gap 2S. Cut to interview with marine biologist Dr. Sarah Lee. Dr. Sarah Lee. The deep ocean is a treasure trove of discoveries waiting to be made. Each dive brings us closer to understanding the complexities of life on our planet, but it also reminds us of our responsibility to protect these fragile ecosystems. Gap 2S. Cut to footage of a deep-sea coral reef. Deep-sea coral reefs, some of which are thousands of years old, provide habitat for countless species. These ancient structures are as vital to marine life as their shallow water counterparts, yet they are just as vulnerable to human impact. Gap 2S. Cut to animation showing the impact of deep-sea mining and climate change. Human activities such as deep-sea mining and climate change pose significant threats to these pristine environments. It's crucial that we balance exploration with conservation to ensure the survival of these unique ecosystems. Gap 2S. Cut to underwater footage of a submersible rising to the surface. As we ascend from the depths, we carry with us not only new knowledge, but also a renewed sense of wonder and responsibility. The deep ocean, with its uncharted territories and hidden treasures, is a reminder of the boundless mysteries that lie beneath the waves. Gap 2S, cut to final scene of a sunset over the ocean. In our quest to explore the ocean's darkest depths, we are not just uncovering the secrets of the sea, we are discovering the very essence of life itself. The journey into the abyss is far from over, and each step forward brings us closer to unlocking the full potential of our blue planet.